Hey beauties, so today we are going to be doing a Philadelphia Eagles themed eye look. So this is the picture and I'll insert it here. I shouldn't have even done that. Forget how good technology is. Anyways, my friend Kim, thank you so much, posted on my Facebook, and it is a Philadelphia Eagles themed eye look. And I think that's awesome and exciting, so I'm ready to try it. I'm wearing my Eagles jersey. Woo, go Eagles! Because they're in the Super Bowl, and I hope they win. And anyway, someone created this, so I will leave a link below because I did not create this. This is not my original idea. I'm trying to replicate what they did using unique products. So to start, I'm going to line my upper lash line all the way in to the inner corner. And then I'm also going to do my lower waterline and lash line. Penny just got a toy and she's leaving. Okay. So we're going to go in with our black liquid liner in the inner portion. And then when we get to about the arch of our brow, we're going to create our first feather. Then our second. And then our third is going to be an extension of a wing. So we're going to create a very dramatic winged liner. And the bottom half of that wing is going to be colored in black. And so winged liner for me is a little tricky because I have hooded eyes, so do however you would typically do it. Okay, and we're going to be able to fix that because we're going to be adding color in there. Just adding like a little bit of sort of like shading to the ends there. All right, so now let us go in the first color we're going to use. So I'm going to mix two colors, trying to create the best green that I can, that I think is closest to what I'm going for. And green eyeshadows, a little tricky. So we're going to start with Amused, which is like a greenish blue matte cream eyeshadow. So I'm going to go into that. I'm going to take this, and I'm using a cream shadow brush, which is kind of like a shorter concealer brush. I'm going to take it all the way into the inner corner. Because we can always make it darker, but it'll be a lot harder to just make it lighter. Not bad. Alright. Okay, so this is kind of like from the crease up, and then it doesn't go all the way into the feathers. It just kind of gets a little bit there, but not completely. Okay. And we're going to go into the pressed eyeshadow color Incredulous, which is a bit more of like a Kelly green. With shimmer, and we're gonna add that on top just to make it a little bit more green. So I feel like this mix, so whatever green you have. Alright, then I'm going to use a different brush because the colors are getting a little crazy here. And I'm going in with a silver cream eyeshadow that is shimmery. It's called Dreamy. And I'm using the Brow Artist brush, so just like the flat side of that. Okay, and that is going to go on our inner, like our tear duct area. And then that's going to go along my moving lid. This is a nice shimmery silver. And then I'm going to go into the tips of the feathers. Kind of mesh that into the green. Okay, and this is a cream eyeshadow, so I am going to go over top of this with a regular pressed eyeshadow in like a white, like silver color. This is Trusting. So I'm going to use that same brush and just go on top of it. Then for the lower lash line, I'm going to use, this is Fickle. I believe it's Whimsical now. I have an original packaging. But this is a shimmery blue. And this is going to go on the lower lash line. So I'm actually just using my finger for this. I'm just smudging it along and a little below the black eyeliner. I might like smoke it out a little bit below. Okay, so now I have to go back into my kohl eyeliner and my liquid eyeliner because they just got a little messed up because we went over them. So I'm going to go back over them. So I'm going to use the kohl pencil and go back over my line along my lash line. And then go back over it along the bottom. Okay, and then I will get the liquid eyeliner. Trace it. All right. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and add mascara. All right, so mascara has been added and the other eye has been done so that I'm semi-symmetrical. And this look is finished. I just put some Well-To-Do and Well-To-Do lipstick and Pouty lip liner on my lips because I figured this is semi-dramatic. I actually feel a little bit like Natalie Portman in Black Swan. Anyways, I wanted to do something a little more neutral on the lips. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I will include some close-up pictures, and if you follow any of my social media, it will be there as well. I hope you enjoy. I hope the birds win. Thank you guys so much.